All right, so our challenges on something to smile about is to see who can stay on this something here. It's a surfboard, the longest. Very simple. Very simple thing. And we done win already. Says Sim and we will involve the great and outstanding and brilliant Bambino. Well, I'm going to do this. I'm not into the lay down thing because we're surfing. Don't move yet, yo. Surf, we are surf.
You couldn't start sitting down, guy. You have to crawl before you walk.
You ready?
Go. Okay, really? Really? Let's try that at take two. Let's try the swimming. Come,
excellent,
let's go.
excellent.
You have to take off your shoes.
No, and say I don't have to ask him. All right, come now. Come now.
What?
Yeah, yeah, guys. All right, don't know that.
How many seconds?
Is he okay? Let me just see if he's all right. Nave? Nave? You're all right, mate.
You hear what Shauna just said? You have to stand on it.
Go on. One more try.
But I did stand on it.
Go on again. Come, big coach, big swimmer. Let's do this.
I get into this like this, man.
Yes, well.
How many stand up again? Me did go so first, then me did go so. Yeah. Wait, you know, wait.
All right. Oh, hang tough, dude.
Take a picture.
Why you jump off? All right, that's good. 5 out of 10. I didn't stick the landing either.
I'm saying 18 seconds.
Okay. It's me next? By Bambi. Bambi's okay. Say Bambi go first.
Yeah, because
my back.
Come on, Bambi, let's do this. You can beat 18 seconds.
no, more like 2 seconds.
Oh, come on.
More like 2 seconds.
Are you going to stand or are you going to lie down?
I don't know. I have a bad knee, you know, so.
Disclaimer,
I might have
Shauna.
a- I might have a
Bambino has
sit.
a bad knee
Yes, I do.
that he's in physio for, so you have to take it easy with him.
All right, just take a picture before we drop now. All right, good.
Ready?
Ready?
Oh, oh, core strength. Woo! Look at him go. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like 18 seconds is the record that's going to be beat today. Hang on there, Bambino.
No, mine was going faster than that. Friend.
That's not true. Don't be bad-minded. Don't be bad-minded. Yes, Bambi!
Foolish is that. Mine was going faster than that. Me don't like the man there. Mine was going faster than that.
Is he all right? Wait, is he all right?
Yours was hardly moving.
Are you okay?
Mine was faster than that.
All right, so
You
go
sit.
back on it and lie down now and then see how long you
Lie-
can last.
No, I'm not doing the lie down way. That's just the easy way. Because I don't think nobody's going to beat my time. You want me to
20.
try again?
Yes,
Yeah, you
go,
beat me
go,
by
go.
2 seconds.
Only 20?
Yeah, come Sim.
So
You.
you say lie down now?
Yes, lie down, Bambi.
All right.
No, so Anna say you must be standing up on it.
But you lay down too.
No,
you
my,
stood
that,
up
my,
and lay
no,
down.
my lay down thing never worked.
Never count.
No.
All right.
20 seconds.
All right, you come.
You're
Come.
just trying to get me inside.
Yes, sir.
Falsely.
Come. All you have to beat is 20 seconds.
Thank you, sir. First challenge is out to catch up here. But
Sit first.
I've never been one to back away from a challenge. Even though sometimes.
You can do it.
Hold on there.
And Simone is
All right, take time.
attempting to beat
I'm a girl.
20
okay?
seconds.
So you can't treat me like the guy.
Let's see if she can do it.
Okay. What?
Hold on.
No, give her another chance,
No,
please.
we need to see her inside.
Help her.
Wait, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Wait. That was not very nice. No, that
All
wasn't
right,
nice.
she did a fantastic 1.5 seconds, folks, and she gets
Ow.
the bronze medal.
This is not supposed to make your head hurt.
All right.
Yeah.
Simone.
No, you threw me. No, you gave the men the advantage. That's not fair. I'm not coming out. I'm doing it again.
Come on, you can do it. Simone
Now you're
Clark
going to
Cooper.
flag me off again.
It's her farewell to surfing.
You know, so
It's her farewell to surfing.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time at the London Olympics,
Yeah.
actually quite fun when you
Her
fall.
farewell to surfing.
Simone Clark Cooper.
We'll never
What
see her
time is
surf
that?
again till
Trying to
she's
get to
retiring
20
after
seconds.
this.
Let's go. 20 seconds you
Ready.
need.
All
Let's
right,
go.
Take your time. Go on, now, man, Reggie. No sun moves.
Let it go.
Like
Here's
belly
easy.
dancing earlier.
Here's easy.
Belly dance, belly
What's up?
dance.
What's up? Aye.
All right.
One turn.
All right.
Come on.
Cree.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, that's enough.
Let me
Excellent.
go.
Thank you for opening the door.
You're
I just
right.
need a,
See your shoes here. Come.
a thing to nurse my head now, and I'm good.
You're right.
I'm good.
Bambino cannot be the winner.
I am the
Because-
Bambino won?
Bambino.
I just like to
Good
thank,
job,
first of
Bambi.
all, thank my
High five.
mom.
Dankwa.
I like to thank
Your
Almighty.
physio trainer. Your
And of course,
physio trainer.
TVJ
Yes.
for making it all
You know,
possible.
you know, say,
Yeah.
You didn't thank your physio trainer because it wasn't.
I'm
for
a
the-
physio trainer
Yeah.
for helping out with my knee. Neville is gone for a floaty so he can
Oh,
shred
thank
water.
you, Wild Rise. We appreciate you.
Wild
Help
Rise.
this morning. What you name? Me not play with Morris because Morris dropped me. But big up Morris.
and it's what? Wild Ride? What is
Wild Rides.
it? Wild Ride. Thanks very much, yeah?
All right, I'm gonna put on back my shoes.
Me
Anybody
win.
have any headache medicine?
I mean, win.
I mean, win. I know him win.
Say, I mean, win.
And if it wasn't real water,
That's enough work today.
Couldn't
X-Star
even
is
swim.
taking on water sports after the break. We got rest. No man.
Fun.